Okay, so for anybody who wants to know how to do a thermostat on a 22RE for a Toyota 4Runner or pickup, I'm going to do it right now. Pretty straightforward. Here is the thermostat housing right here next to the intake and the plenum. There's your upper radiator hose. It runs right to the housing. And then there's two bolts on the side of the housing right down there. One is right in there. There's the housing. And then that's one of the bolts. They're both 12. And then the other one is right there. There's only two bolts that hold it on. Some of you might have a temperature sensor up here. You can go ahead and detach that if you want, or just leave it attached and pull the wire back, whatever works for you. I have the air duct pulled apart and hanging up here. The upper radiator hose is going to need to come off, and then we'll just pull this whole unit out, and then we'll swap out the thermostat, and I'll show you guys that in a minute, and we'll change the gasket. It's pretty straightforward.